We often hear that you need to visualize your dreams, your goals, to manifest them, to achieve them, but how do you actually do it? And creating vision boards always seemed like cheesy and silly to me until I actually tried it, and this is mine over here. I even framed it, so I'm taking it kind of seriously, and it actually does help. When we are going through life like gladiators in the arena, when times get tough, you're going through the grime and the dirt, it's often easy to forget why we're doing any of this. So that's why you need a constant reminder of why you're doing any of this. I have both the vision board, I also have a list of goals at my workstation, and for you it may be something different that will guide you through those tough times, but you don't know if you don't try. Let's experiment. Let's try it out. Just give it a shot, see how it looks. So I want you to go on your PC, your tablet, maybe on your phone, and let's experiment together. So let's create like this first vision board draft that you can build on and work with as you create your actual vision board afterwards. To create the vision board, I'll use the free version of canva.com. For me, this vision board is going to be why I create YouTube videos. First of all, I'll take ChatGPT, suggest me great ideas of what to put in my vision board about why I create YouTube videos, about personal development. These are actually really good ideas. That's crazy. Goals and aspirations. Include specific goals that you want to accomplish through your YouTube videos. Specific goal. So for me, it's about creating a personal brand that can help other people improve the quality of their lives in a similar way that a lot of the people that are doing similar thing to me have improved my life, and I want to be the same to others as well. That will be my main goal. I'm also going to use DALL-E. You probably already know it, but it basically generates images of the text that you put into it. A graphically designed sign with build a positive personal brand written on it in the shape of a YouTube logo. They don't really say anything. I guess I'll have to write it myself. I'm gonna use this, build a positive personal brand. Awesome. So let's assume that's the goal. I know it's not really specific, but it's something to work with. It's a first draft. Let's include like this quote that it offers. I am making a positive impact in the world. This is pretty cool. A digital graphic design with a quote saying, I am making a positive impact in the world. It is struggling with words. I need a translation for this. I'm making a positive impact on the world. Include images that align with your personal development vision. Let's ask DALL-E how a successful YouTuber looks like. Yeah, they look freaky. I'm not sure I'm comfortable with this. Successful personal development YouTuber. This is not what I'm looking for. So maybe let's try images of a lifestyle. A painting of a person speaking to a crowd and inspiring them. Okay, so this looks like a cult. Not what I'm looking for. This is pretty cool. Let's see some variations of this. You know what? Actually, the original one is really cool. I'll use this. A painting where one person is helping another person improve. Yeah. No. Become a better version of themselves. This might come out really weird. This looks like a cult as well. Yeah, this is not what I'm looking for. Painting where one element is growing other elements. No, a painting of a forest rebuilding. A painting of a rough diamond. This might be something abstract, but related to the idea as well. That we're all like rough diamonds and you need to polish them. This actually could work. Help others, help improve. Include elements that represents your own personal development journey, such as pictures of yourself when you first started, pictures of yourself now. This is really cool. A collage of pictures where a person is creating increasingly better creations. I mean, I guess that's kind of what I asked for. 3 paintings in a row, but each painting is increasingly better. We can work with this. So let's say this is like the beginning, and this is like this actually, it doesn't look good. Never mind. Let's say a masterpiece painting. I'm just making kind of like random sentences, hoping that something shows up. I could get better results if I was more specific, but this is just more fun. Okay. Yeah, this looks cool. I'll use this. You become better. We don't spend enough time to reflect on what we're actually doing well. You just got up with yourself, You forget that even if you can't do it right now, you just gotta keep on trying and you will be able to do it. Unless it's something completely unrealistic. It's probably not. It's like the quote, we overestimate what we can do in a day and we underestimate what we can do in a year. That's where the impossible happens. And let's say an unhappy person. It's simple, but let's see what comes out. Yeah, these are a bit too dramatic. Wow, that looks strange. I'll use this. Include a schedule or plan for creating and publishing your videos. So let's ask it to create a A digital calendar with a schedule in it. This is the most believable. All right. Still strange, but it's what you'd expect, right? I'll use this one. You know what? I don't really need the text or this one. It kind of speaks for itself, you know? Consistency. Write real short examples of how a personal development YouTuber can positively impact people's lives, sharing their personal struggles and challenges. I'm gonna put in a mountain. Okay, so this looks pretty cool. Share experience and do it yourself. Philosophy around this is like there's mountains, experiences that you have to go through, like the challenges, the struggles, and the do-it-yourself of how climb those mountains, basically. Share struggles, provide a sense of community, a bonded community. This is a really bonded community. Yep, this is it. Exactly what I plan to do with my channel. Is AI sending a signal this way? Or what it imagines a community, a bonded community being like? This looks like the Matrix, insane. People community. Digital art. This could work. I'll use this. That could be community. This is a success. Okay, awesome. So this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good. This turned out better than I expected. Practically everything is generated by AI. Wow, this is insane. If you also made a vision board draft or came up with some ideas of what your vision board could be like, then also let me know in the comments. Like it's pretty cool. Everybody has their own thing. Remember that your vision board needs to be really personal. Each element in the vision board needs to mean something to you. Otherwise, you'll just forget about it. And when you look at it, it doesn't evoke any feelings. You should put it in a place where you walk past every day and you can't miss it, like it's painfully obvious that it's there. Then it will bring the greatest benefit because you won't forget about it. It won't just be like a painting on a wall. It's gonna be a vision board that is a representation of your values. I am Dave's son, and I explore ways that you can improve the quality of your life right now. And if it's something that you're interested in, then consider subscribing because I'm just getting started and the best is yet to come.